This is DJ Freecity. Just do business. My mission is to have freedom to be able to help others to reach their dreams and their goals and just enjoy life.
Yeah. So give me a time where on an international tour, like give me a day in a different country,
Oh man. Okay, so generally we wake up. I'm typically an early riser, but it depends on what we did the night before. If we had a show the night before, we were probably up and out late. So get up like 10, figure out, okay, what's the day entailed? Do we have to travel? Are we staying in this city today? Do we have a show today? What are we doing today? So we figure that out. Definitely get some food. That's probably before we even discuss what we're doing today. Then if we got a show, we got to figure out transportation, logistics to get to the show, what we need. We go over the show music, do a little run through while we at the spot. Then we get to the venue, we do a walkthrough of the venue, see where we're going to be at, get everything laid out. Do another run through with the show music and make sure the equipment, everything is functioning correctly. All the songs is in order. How we gonna, I talk with the artists about, or how you're gonna come in, how, basically their performance. Sometimes they want certain particulars about their performance. Then after that, we kind of just chill, hang out, eat again, then get ready for the showtime, man. And showtime comes, we all hype, we come and knock out the show, and then after that, it's the after party. Then after the party, it's the hotel lobby. Then, but nah, so it's a brief rundown.
Yeah. So, man, so you're saying with going around the world, going to these different countries, did you ever pick up other business in those countries? Like when you went on tour, did you ever use your skill in branding to pick up other clients around the world?
I have. Yes, I have. It's just one of them situations where you're out and, networking. People talk. People want to gravitate to what you're doing. They're interested. So once I grab your ear, I'm conversing with you and trying to figure out how we can help each other. That goes back to what I was saying.
Right. So you said something very important. You said, can you teach people the secret of networking and how you network? What is the secret to it? Because some people don't know. Some people don't know how to get bigger checks or meet different people or meet a variety of people.
I would say the secret or the key to networking first is being genuine. Okay. Just genuinely wanting to connect with a person and finding out what they do and showing general interest in what they do. A lot of people ask you something, but they're not listening. They're just, listening for key buzzwords to see if you can help them or what they can get out of you.
So, tell me more about that. Break that down for me. Give me a scenario of
scenario. You'll be out. I might be among some friends, and then my friend's mutual friend I might get introduced to, and then hey, what do you do? If I tell them I'm let's say if I say I'm a driver, for Lyft or something, then they be like, oh, okay, but it just kind of brush you off. But they don't know my connections and my network or who I'm connected to, Mm-hmm. So that's a situation where you just brush someone off because you think they're just a Lyft driver, but their cousin is in the city council in Atlanta, and they have that's their right hand man. So it's all about not judging a book by its cover and just being genuine.
Yeah, so when you say connecting with people, right?
Right.
Okay, let's just say somebody's in a rural town, in North Dakota. What do you think? But what is your, because you have a certain skill, you have a certain a way of connecting with people. What do you think? They're in a rural town. How do I get started? I need to know how I get started.
First, get out that rural town. Sometimes to get different results, you have to change what you're used to doing, So if I'm from a rural town in VA, Suffolk, shout out to Suffolk, I had to get out of Suffolk because it's only so many opportunities that I'm going to reach in Suffolk. But outside of that, it's social media. Get out there and network, connect with people. Anytime I'm going somewhere, I'm on social media if I'm going to Mexico, if I'm going to Peru, if I'm going to Jamaica, I'm texting, I'm getting on social media utilizing hashtags to try to connect with the people where I'm going that are interested in the same things that I'm interested in. Hey, I see you're a DJ. I'm a DJ as well. I'm coming out there. Let's connect. You got a spot I could DJ at. As simple as that.
Yeah, you're right. Like, because, some people, they stay in their comfort zone.
Gotta get uncomfortable.
They're staying in their comfort zone and they stay in a place where, sometimes people get stressed out and depressed about that.
Absolutely.
Staying in the comfort zone.
I've actually gotten comfortable being uncomfortable.
Explain that. Because, I don't know, some people might not understand that.
Basically,
break that down.
So being uncomfortable is